Chandie, one date that sticks out to me the most is when we went to the spring casual dance sophomore year. We went on a photo scavenger hunt around the mall, and as one of those things we had to do was take our picture in the photo booth. I still have those pictures, and I will always hold them near and dear to my heart. They show me we have had a special connection since we were young. We stand here on our wedding day sharing that same special connection, growing stronger every day. I promise to always be your best friend, a shoulder for you to cry on. I promise to always strive to be a better husband to you each and every day. Chandie, I also promise never to go to bed angry. You look very beautiful today. Know that you always will be beautiful in my eyes. I will only love you more and more each day.
I have been waiting for this day for a very long time, and I can't believe that it's finally here. I, Chandie, take you, Kolton, to be my husband, and every day I will keep choosing you. You are my best friend and my soulmate. Although we met at a very young age, I knew deep down that we were endgame. I remember in our early days, staying up all night talking on the phone and sharing a laugh, and you would always make me smile. I wish I could tell our younger selves that we would be standing here today and that our love would only continue to grow more and more. I can't wait to see what our future holds. You know everything about me and still choose to stand by my side. You are faithful and loving, and you always try your best to show that you care. You would do anything to protect me and to love me. You are compassionate and always put my needs before your own. I love you, and I accept your faults and your strengths as you do mine. I couldn't stand another day not being your wife. I promise to grow with you and continue to support you. I promise to laugh with you on the good days and hold your hand and cry with you on the bad days. I promise to believe in you and support your dreams. I promise to always try to be my best self for you. I promise to love you in bad times and especially the good times. But most of all, I promise to love you my hardest for the rest of my life. Let us be partners, friends, and lovers today and all days as long as we both shall live.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh. So slow, you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, so. Just watch the corn grow in the fields. I don't know what's on your mind, but I know that it's something about you and me. I'll stay here for as long as I can, through the storms and through the calm. When you smile at me, I slowly begin to realize that you are the one. I will sneak a note in your pocket, and I'll leave with your smile in my mind. Wherever we will end up, I will love it, 'cause you're mine, 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 mine. And you know I'll walk a million miles for you. You said summer will be over soon. Would you still like to hang around? When clouds roll in and cover the moon, will we manage to stand the ground? Without you, I'm a non-leaf tree, cold, naked, lost in fate.